Three Jamaican Olympians were honored for their exceptional achievements at the JAA's Puma JAMALCO development meet recently in Clarendon. Shoshana McGowan reports.
Jacqueline Pusey first represented Jamaica at the 1976 Olympic Games in the 200 meters and 4x100 meters sprint relay. The former St. Mary High School star also donned the national colors at the 1980 Olympic Games, reaching the semifinals in both the 400 and 200 meters, while anchoring the women's sprint relay team. The 60-year-old was honored by ISA in 2004, but spoke about one of her career disappointments.
At the '84 Olympics, because it was a devastating period for me, because I got hurt 3 weeks before the games, and I was in the best shape of my life at that time, and I was pretty sure I probably would have medaled. I don't know what kind of medal I would have gotten, but I was pretty sure I would have gotten a medal, and so I was hurt very much, and it took me a while to get over it.
Also honored was another sprinter, Ethelyn Tate, who participated at the 1984 Olympic Games and formerly represented Vere Technical and Morgan State University in the United States. Meanwhile, Jamaica's first female Olympic swimmer, Belinda Phillips, was another honoree on the day. Phillips, who attended Immaculate Conception High, created history when she became the youngest Jamaican to date at age 14 years to suit up in the national colors at the 1976 Montreal Olympics.
But representing Jamaica was always a proud moment. One of the best memories are the CISC games in Jamaica, where winning gold medals, having our anthem play, and being in Jamaica with the Jamaican crowd supporting. So that was always great.
Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.